everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the beautiful community of Meridiana, located in Manville, Texas. Now, Manville, Texas is right next door to Pearland, right off of 288, straight up the street from the medical center and close to downtown Houston. So you are still close to the metropolitan busy area of Houston. Now, this particular home that we're currently viewing is a Perry home. And if you know anything about Perry, they do stand by having nicely built homes with very well thought out floor plans. This is going to be a 2737 model, which is also the same amount of square footage that the home has. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It is a little under the $500,000 range. Now, this particular community, it is a new community and it still has plenty of land to expand. But currently, if you're interested in the schools, they are going to be Meridiana Elementary, Cafe Junior High, and Manville High School. Now, like I said, they are expanding. So when you go ahead and move to this community, before you write that contract, make sure you verify that, number one, what school your children will be zoned to, and number two, if there's any additional plans to build new schools on site, which will cause your children to have to be transferred. Now, if you are interested in other communities in the Houston metropolitan area and you want to learn about it, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly tours. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Enjoy the tour and remember to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this builder, this home, or if you have any other real estate questions. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful and blessed day.